I am beyond excited. The channel just reached 3,000 subscribers. I'm going to reveal what I was building. It cost me no, not blood. Did it cost me blood? No, I still have all my fingers, but it did cost me some sweat and a little bit of cursing from time to time because, yeah, it was a big project, but I did it. It's complete. It's something I did for this landmark, this 3,000 subscribers. I'm beyond excited. I hope you will be too. I would say, let's reveal it. Let's reveal. It took me over a month, almost 1 month and a half to complete this build. I built it from scratch. I cut the wood, painted the wood, I put it together, put the power supplies in, the bus boards, I connected every single wire. There's for more than 40 meters of wire in here. The thing is 6 foot wide. It's approximately 2.5 feet high, the enclosure itself. And yeah, it houses most of my modules. I have some blanking panels. When I recorded this reveal the first time, I kind of was a little bit too enthusiastic, a little bit too excited. I forgot to put on my microphone. So I am switching to the first recording, and that will be with, yeah, just the feed from the camera. But the sounds from this system, which I will directly present to you, they will be in good quality. So I hope you can forgive me on that. Want to thank everybody for all the support and yeah, all the likes, shares, comments and yeah, interaction I got over the past years. I'm beyond excited. I would say, let's take a listen to how this... I don't know how I will call it. Maybe leave a comment in the comment section down below with a suggestion on how I will call, or you will call, this giant modular synthesizer. So please write down in the comment section, do suggest a name for this beast. And I would say, enjoy the show. This sounds nice. And it's only one voice. I can use 2 voices. 3 voices! 4 voices! I think the building is a little bit shaking. Love the sound. This routing, it's the matriarch, but each voice, each of the 4 voices has 2 oscillators instead of 1, and then it's going through the post lawsuit filter from STG Sound Labs, which is, in my opinion, an amazing filter based upon the ARP filter. Then it goes in a wave folder to give it a little bit more grit. And I would say, to please Nick Bat from Sonic State, I've got some pulse width modulation going on both tip-top oscillators and on the matriarch itself. So it's like, yeah, multiple different pulse width modulations. For now, I selected the sawtooth, but when I select the square, there's even more pulse width modulation. So Nick Bat, here you go. Isn't that a lovely sound? The sound of the main system will be stereo, and it's also nice to have multiple sequencers like I have here doing things in stereo, so that really expands the sound, and it's just a joy to play this thing. And yeah, I must say I'm extremely pleased with the result. I'm extremely happy that I reached 3,000 subscribers. Never would have thought that I would ever reach 3,000 subscribers, let alone build something like this, let alone, yeah, maybe sometime in the future reach 4,000 or even more subscribers. It's nice to reach these milestones, but I just do it because I enjoy doing it, and some of my videos will be tutorials to help people get better in what they're doing, or get them started with making music, making particular kinds of music. So yeah, it's just, I'm having a blast of a time just playing around, fooling around, doing some stuff. I like recording, I even like editing to a certain degree. I recently discovered live streaming, which throws all the editing overboard, and it's just a thing where people can react and I can directly react on it. I was really scared of doing those live streams, but yeah, so far I have done 5 live streams and I like it so far, so I will keep on doing these live streams. This modular system, now that it's, in my opinion, pretty complete, like it's one big instrument that I can play and just that sounds really good. By the way, if you want a nice sound, if you want to hear a really nice sound, I think let's just put everything to mono, and yeah, let's see what that does. Also turn the response, it's called, but the resonance on the post-lawsuit filters, I turned them all the way down, so there's a little bit more bass. Just watch and behold. One note, 8 oscillators. Let's play a sequence. this, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, share it with friends, enjoy it. Really, I'm enjoying this behemoth of a synthesizer. This was the big reveal for 3000 subscribers. I really don't know if I can top this. Suggestions. I'm going to do a lot with this giant system in my future videos. I would say thank you for watching. Thank you for giving me your support and just making this channel what it has become, because without any feedback it might have become something totally different, or maybe nothing at all. I really enjoy this, I really appreciate this, and I couldn't be more happy to have reached this milestone. It just, yeah, it shows how much support I get, and yeah, that keeps me, I hope it keeps me sane. But I'm doubting that, because I built something like this. So is that something sane to do, or is it just, yeah, something crazy to do? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I would really want to wish you a good evening, a good night, a good day, or whatever time zone it is. I would say thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye. Ik wou iets zeggen en ik wou iets doen. Ik weet het niet meer. Ik weet het niet meer. Ik weet het echt niet meer.